Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports roundup.
Paris Olympic 100-meter silver medalist Keshane Thompson and reigning world 100-meter hurdles champion Daniel Williams headline 9 Jamaicans scheduled to compete at the Shanghai Diamond League meet in China on Saturday. Thompson is down to compete in a competitive men's 100 meters, which will also feature American 2019 world champion Christian Coleman, Paris Olympic 200-meter gold medalist Letsile Tebogo of Botswana, and informed South African Akani Simbini. 2023 national 100-meter champion Ron Watson is also slated to contest the event. Williams will again contest the 100-meter hurdles, where she will face Nigerian and world record holder Tobi Amusan, Bahamian world indoor champion Devine Charlton, and rising American Grace Stark. Tokyo Olympic champion Hansa Parchment, Paris Olympic bronze medalist Rashid Broadbell, and Paris Olympic finalist Orlando Bennett will contest the men's 110-meter hurdles. While in the field, 2019 World Championship silver medalist Daniel Thomas Dodd will contest the women's shot put, while Jordan Scott will contest the men's triple jump. TVJ Sports understands that the Jamaica Premier League leaders Mount Pleasant FA could know today if they will face any sanction related to allegations of using ineligible players in their last 6 Jamaica Premier League games. In a document seen by TVJ Sports, Premier League champions Cavalier wrote to chairman of the Jamaica Football Federation Competitions Department, Gregory Daly. The letter also accused Mount Pleasant of a separate breach in their game against Racing United on April 10. The breach related to the inclusion of 7 non-Jamaican nationals on the match card. According to competition rules, a maximum of 6 players of foreign nationality, including players eligible to play under CARICOM rules, may be registered for each club. In relation to the allegations, TVJ Sports understands that Mount Pleasant had legally registered the players who were given clearance by FIFA after their contract with their Haitian club had ended on January 31. It then means that the players who played in the CONCACAF Champions Cup after the January 31 deadline were not eligible to do so. Should Mount Pleasant be found guilty of the breaches, they could face a 15-point deduction, having won 5 of the 6 games in question. And finally, the Jamaica Titans suffered their second defeat in 3 games as they went down by 6 wickets to the Trinidad and Tobago Legions in their Cricket West Indies Breakout League T20 game at the Brian Lara Cricket Academy in Trinidad yesterday. The Titans could have only managed 127 for 8 batting first. Zion Brathwaite top scored with 37, while opener Leroy Lugg was next best with 30. McKenny Clark had 2 for 14, Naveen Bedese 2 for 19, and Yuan Lane 2 for 27 for the Legions. The TNT franchise then got to their target of 130 for 4 with 9 deliveries to spare. Camille Perrin was the top run scorer with 45 from 38 deliveries, while captain Joshua Da Silva made 31 from 24. Andrew Rambaran claimed 2 for 23 for the Jamaican franchise. The Titans are currently 4th on the table on 7 points with 2 games to go. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher, and that concludes the Midday News package. I'm Kerry and Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.